Imagine this, it's a quiet Friday night and suddenly, boom, Donald Trump announces a new cryptocurrency called Trump. It's not just another digital coin, it's a meme coin instantly making waves across the internet. But here is a bigger question. What does this mean for the future of investing? Stay tuned because today we're diving into this Trump meme coin mania and how Gen X and Gen Zs are reshaping the global finance. So what exactly is a meme coin? Unlike Bitcoin or Ethereum, which are built to solve problems or power decentralized applications, meme coins are all about vibe. They are fun, they are community driven, and they thrive on internet culture. Think about Dogecoin. It started as a joke, but about a dog meme, but today it's worth billions of dollars. Meme coins don't need a complex use case. They run on hype, social media buzz, and a sprinkle of FOMO, fear of missing out. Now let's talk about Trump meme coin. It is not just a cryptocurrency. It is cultural phenomena. When someone as polarizing and influential as Donald Trump launches a coin, people take notice. Love him or hate him, his name alone guarantees attention. Trump has all the ingredients of a viral meme coin. A famous figure, controversial, and the promise of quick gains. But here is the catch. Its value isn't tied to a real-world application. It's tied to a hype. That makes it exciting, but also incredibly risky. Speaking of risks, meme coins are like a financial roller coaster. Prices can swing wildly in hours. One day, your $10 investment can turn into a $100 or crash into a $1. So if you are thinking about investing, here's what you can consider. If you are new in crypto and you're looking for an exchange to start crypto journey today, check the link in the description below. I have a link for the Coinbase platform, which will give you $10 worth of BTC for free if you start using my link. Start small, do your research, and never invest money you cannot afford to lose. Meme coins are fun, but they are not guaranteed path to riches. Now let's zoom out and look at the bigger picture. For decades, baby boomers followed the classic 60-40 portfolio. 60% in stocks, 40% in bonds. It worked because they prioritized stability and long-term growth. But here come Gen Zs and Gen Xs, shaking things up. These younger generations grew up with the internet, smartphones, and now cryptocurrencies. They are tech-savvy, they crave quick gains. They are skeptical of traditional banks and governments. This is why crypto resonates with them. It's quote-unquote decentralized, fast, and feels like the future. So what's happening to the global capital? We're seeing a major shift. Boomers focus on stability. Younger generations are leaning into speculative assets like crypto. Cryptocurrencies, NFTs, and decentralized finance are becoming staples of modern portfolios, and financial institutions are adapting, offering crypto options to attract younger clients. This is not just a trend, it's a paradigm shift. As Gen Zs and Gen Xs are taking over the global pool, the old ways of investing are giving way to tech-driven, risk-tolerant approach. That's why Trump meme coin is just more than a meme coin. It's a symbol of where investing is headed. Whether you are a crypto enthusiast or just curious about the digital revolution, one thing is clear: the way we invest is evolving, and Trump meme coin is part of that story. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more content like this, and let me know in the comments, do you think meme coins like Trump are the future or just a passing trend? Let's talk about it. See you next time. Financial education is very important for everybody, especially for the kids who are still at school, because when they grow up and go into the professional lives, if they don't know how to manage their finances, that is going to be a disaster to begin with. I have just published an ebook for the kids aging between 10 and 16 years to understand how they can manage their finances. So when they grow up, they know exactly how to manage their personal finances, because I have broken it down at a very, very basic level. What is money? How can we save? How can we invest? What is debt? How can we use debt? What is credit card? And how we can set ourselves for the financial future when we go into our professional life. So if you are a parent looking for a very simple to use ebook for your kids, click the link below to order the copy for your kids, and let me know what you think about that. Let's get back to the video.